banua balamu etirikoto yani wakayawa lakira waena kena itovo nilasa.
It's your boy Rocks in the mix.
Cavuti and Raratabu, her story stands tall, written in the land, never fading at all. Under the Tuila, the legacy remains through generations of faith, honor and pain. She walks with the strength of the ones before. Tonga tapua pe vavahu in her court. Mafu's footsteps still mark the sand. She carries that history in the palm of her hand. Oh, oh. Queen of Sawana, you are the light, beauty in your smile, strength deep inside. Your roots run deep through the ancient times. You carry the spirit of the eyes and the light. The ocean sings when you walk by. The drums call out as you rise and shine. Kemuni totoka evaka ni dramu na singa ena tobacco loma loma. Faith and love are the crown you wear. Queen of Sawana, beyond compare. Queen of Sawana.
Not built by gold, not shaped by fame. Her power was forged in prayer and name. When the gospel reached the shores of Viti, Sawana stood strong, humble yet mighty. Preachers crossed seas, answering the call. Sawana stood faithful through it all. Raratabu leaders took their stand. She learned to lead with the servant's hand.
Queen of Sawana, you are the light, beauty in your smile, strength deep inside. Your roots run deep through the ancient times. You carry the spirit of the eyes and the light. The ocean sings when you walk by. The drums call out as you rise and shine. Kemuni totoka evaka ni dromo na singa ena tobacco loma loma. Faith and love are the crown you wear. Queen of Sawana, beyond compare. Queen of Sawana. Sunday mornings, village songs, lowing our tables where she belongs. Roast pig, taro, yams and fish, shared in love, no one is missed. The lally sounds across the bay. She moves with the rhythm of yesterday. Not just a woman, she's a home. Wherever she stands, she's never alone.
Birthday fires lighting the night. Kappa calling, hearts unite. Livestock shared, no soul apart. She learned generosity from the start.
Soft in her voice, strong in her name. Song remembers her flame. Grace in her walk, truth in her eyes. A living prayer beneath island sky. Queen of Sawana, you are the light, beauty in your smile, strength deep inside. Your roots run deep through the ancient times. You carry the spirit of the eyes and the life. The ocean sings when you walk by. The drums call out as you rise and shine. Kemuni totoka